The first step will be folding this in half, like a hamburger. So I'm going to connect the corners. And I'll squish up. So it just looks like a card. I'm going to really press down to make sure it's folded. And I'm going to take the top flap. I'm going to fold it up so it connects and these corners touch the top. It doesn't matter if it's exact or not. So I folded it down and I folded it back up, just like that. So I'm gonna draw my closed section first. On my video, I'm drawing a present. I like this because I can literally draw whatever I want inside. But whatever you do, draw your closed part first, completely, and then you'll do the inside second. So I'm drawing my present by drawing a box. You can do whatever you want to. There's lots of examples at the end of the video. After you've finished the closed part of your drawing, you get to open it up and add whatever is that surprise inside. Is it a scary face? Is it a happy kitten? Is it a nice message for someone? Finally, I add color. I like to outline my pencil lines with my colored supplies first, just so I don't accidentally color all over them and then hide all those nice details I added. So make yours look bright and fun, and have fun with these pop-up folding surprises.